Hey there! So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this photo with the original photo being just this one. So I'm kind of telling on myself here, but when I'm on the job sometimes I just forget to take photos with my art, and so maybe like 5% of the time I'll realize that, and I'll go and I'll Photoshop myself into that photo. So over here, I'm not actually in that photo. I just Photoshopped myself from another photo into it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so first you start out, and if you have a painting that you are not currently in, but you would like to insert yourself into it, you're going to start on Ribbet.com. This is a really, really basic online uploader or online photo editor. If you use Photoshop or Lightroom, good for you. But this is just really basic for someone that just has no idea about how to edit photos or anything like that. So this is the kind of the one that I recommend anybody that doesn't want to break the bank with Adobe products, although they are worth it, I will say. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to Upload Photo. We're going to go to this ocean mural. We're going to upload this photo of a mural that I am not currently in. Okay, so we want to insert another photo on top of it. So we're going to go down here to this photo basket. We're going to hit upload. And earlier I saved a photo of myself painting something else onto my desktop. Okay, here we go. So we're going to take this photo. We're going to place it on here. We're going to fade it out just a little bit so I can see what's behind there. We're going to zoom as well. Zoom is this far right thing back here. Go out just a little bit. So I'm going to try to stay as true to the size as I can. I know how big this painting is, so I want to make my body the right proportion. So I think it's about like that. Yeah, that's pretty close. We're going to take this eraser right here on this little sidebar, and we're going to make it bigger. We're just going to go around and erase all of this excess stuff around here. Okay, and now we are going to zoom in quite a bit. Zoom in as much as you really need to. We're going to make that eraser quite a bit smaller. And we are going to go around all of these little areas. Okay, so now we've got that done. Back out of it just a little bit. Let's check our progress. So let's just brighten it up right here. Just a little bit. That looks pretty good. So it looks like I missed this little spot right there. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Let's brighten it up. There. Okay. So one major part about photoshopping yourself onto something like this is the shadows. So we're going to go over here and do the clone. And we are going to pick a shadowy area. And so like right up here, we're going to clone it onto right here. So it really just creates this little shadow. And that really is what makes it believable. Like I said, I don't do this all the time, but I do it sometimes. There we go. Yep. And then a little bit over here. Yeah, I highly suggest if you can get a photo or you remember to get a photo with your art, oops, definitely do that. But if you don't have one, oh, dang it. I'm not the best at this. And if you don't have one, fear not. Oh. Okay, good enough. There we go. Just back out of it. And then it looks like I am just right up there. And we can even like fade it out just a little bit more. There, combined. Now you go up here and you click save. Make sure it's a PNG file. And then I usually save it like edited. And save photo. And that is it. All right, well, I hope you guys found this useful.